Thank you. Hi, how are you? My name is Natalia, and I am a Global Mentor Lead, also co-founder and general manager at Accent. So today I'm here to speak on behalf of Women in BIM, using this amazing opportunity to expand our voice. Women in BIM is a global community with a vision to support. So we want to empower and celebrate female in the BIM digital construction world. So I'm going to take just a few minutes and take advantages of this space to tell you about our mentor scheme. Women in BIM comes together supporting. So we just find really important to support each other. So our main topics are attract and encourage, promote and support, advance and retain. This is when in Women in BIM came out about we knew that we need to have some core objectives to ensure that we could community. So attract and encourage, we wish to attract women into digital related careers. Promote and support, we believe that supporting one each other is crucial. So as we strive to develop a more inclusive industry. So our network of members is in place to support, share, and encourage each other. And advance and retain, that means like research shows that women are leaving careers in the construction industry or moving to other sectors. So in Women in BIM, we wish to celebrate women in different roles. So this is why we developed the Mentor Scheme program. So in 2020, we launched our first year of this program, and we weren't expected this much of a success of the program. So one of our main objects was to create this opportunity for women to support each other and have some role models that they can ask questions about their careers, how they can reach to some point to advance, because we realized that we were shy, we weren't able to speak, and first of all, we all just, what we do is we get prepared, we get ready, but we don't take the opportunities. So what we do here is, okay, here's a person who can lead you and ask all the questions. For example, I admire someone in the BIM industry and I would like to be director, BTC director. How can I do it? So all those barriers, sometimes we put it ourselves. And having a mentor is really important because that person is going to drive you through the path and explain you that it's not that hard. Just take the opportunity, take the chances, and everything is going to be all right. So this mentor, well, the aim is provide support, education, and insights to young women in the industry, looking to evolve their careers and to even move into digital construction related roles. So the mentor scheme is really growing. We started in 2020 with 65 mentee applicants, and in 2023, I'm sorry, the slides are not updated, but I mean, we are now 170. So these numbers are really growing each year. So for one side, it's really impressive, and the other side is really, I'm worried because that means that all women all over the world still thinks that they need support, that there's something that they are missing, so they are looking for an extra support, and they need some reassurance that they are doing the right path. So hopefully one day we reach the time that this mentor scheme is not is not going to be useful because everything is going to be just gender equality and every woman is going to be as confident as they should be. So what is this mentoring? Mentoring, it's a guidance. The mentor scheme, it's 6-month program where a mentee meets a person, her mentor. It can be the mentor. We don't have gender restrictions, so it can be women, men, non-binary. It's for us, it's okay. But the mentees, they all should be women's. And this someone, it's someone to share their knowledge, skills, and experience to assist others to progress in their own lives and careers. It's not someone that is going to train you all the softwares, all the hard skills. You can learn them. You can take a course. You can go to different places to learn how to use the software. However, how to improve your career, which which master degree you can take in order to get what you want to take. That's what a mentor does. So it's not a person that can speak to your bosses or your colleagues. It's just going to give you guidance. So it's more than giving an advice. It's passing on what your experience was in a particular area or situation. And it's about motivating and empowering the other person to identify their own issues and goals and helping them to find the ways of resolving or reaching them. So not by doing it for them or expecting them to do it. So it's like understanding and respecting different ways of working. So the process, it's 3-4 steps. So who can apply? The mentor is open to all women in BIM members and supporters. We welcome anyone with a professional background in BIM to join our program as a mentor. And we invite all women and people of minority genders with the desire to develop further in BIM to join us as a mentees. So simply complete. This is going to be released next year because right now the program is running, but we are going to open our program next year. So you just submit the applications. So then we analyze and review all the applicants, and we made a selection. After that, we select with the selection, we make interviews with all the women and the mentors, with the help of our regional leads. And this part is probably the most time-consuming and intensive part of the scheme because we need to really make the match successful. So what the mentee is looking for, we really have to make sure that the mentor is going to be helpful for that woman, that the program is going to be successful. So that is the most consuming part. I mean, we have in all over the places, in all the continents, we have mentors and mentees that are applying. So imagine doing like 160 interviews. So that's really huge. So that's why I thank all the support that we have from our regional leads and core team. Then we do the matching. After that, we recollect some data, and we are able to make the perfect match. Well, the mentoring, once they couple, the mentoring program starts, and they start this journey together. And we have regular meeting in order to be aware that everything is going according to the plan, that we don't have any extra issues or something that some questions might be difficult to answer, but we have all that covered. So the benefit of the scheme is that 87% of mentors and mentees feel empowered by the mentoring relationship. So this is not only one-way benefit. The mentors also when you have that willing of help, it's really fulfilling, feeling that other person it's really improving and making changes. So this develop great confidence, and mentor employees are 5 times more likely to get a promotion. So mentors also find that mentoring enhances the meaningfulness of their work. And while the minorities programs develop that and retention rates for minorities and women, 15 to 38 as compared to non-mentor employees. So those numbers are, 60% of grads want a mentor. So these numbers give us the confidence that this mentoring program is really, its existence is really good. After that, we also develop group mentoring workshops. So basically, we are trying to cover these 4 areas. Obviously, career coaching in the built environment is the most famous. So women not only get a mentor and support about that, but also they have this group mentoring to also get to know being basic on something that is extra. So that's everything for today. Thank you all for listening, and I invite you to join us. Thank you.
Thank you, Natalia.
Thank you.